Assalamu alaikum. I'm Jaya Mazhar, student of MSc Honours Food Technology at National Institute of Food Science and Technology at University of Agriculture, Faisalabad. The purpose of this video is to present my research work which I carried out during my degree. The field of my research was meat science and my research topic was impact of steaming on the functional components of mystery chicken breast meat. I carried out my research at Meat Science Technology Lab under the kind supervision of Dr. Muhammad Issa Khan. So the purpose of my research was to check the effect of steam on functional components of mystery chicken breast meat. So my basic motive was to check the functional components with the effect of steaming. So what was the methodology of my research? I simply bought a meat sample from the local market in Faisalabad. Then the meat was steamed by following the procedure of cleaning and washing, and all the treatments that are explained in my slide were given to the meat sample. In the treatment T0, internal temperature was maintained 35 degrees Celsius and the time was given 15 minutes. After consecutively increasing 3 minutes, the temperature was kept constant. I steamed the meat sample. After that, I will discuss the results which I observed during my research. Significant results in color were observed with increased lightness, redness and yellowness. Values for longer steamed samples due to myoglobin oxidation. And water holding capacity decreased significantly with longer steamed durations. It means when the meat was steamed for longer time, the water holding capacity was decreased. Also, I observed that extended steaming increased crude fiber content but decreased fiber content, leading to a loss of nutritional quality. So the basic topic that was I studying in my research was creatinine content. It was the main parameter of my research. Creatinine is basically a chemical waste product that is generated from muscle metabolism. It is produced from creatinine, which is also known as a molecule for energy production in muscles. So talking about the creatinine content, it was increased significantly after steaming the meat sample. When the meat sample was steamed under the procedure which I have discussed earlier, the creatinine content was increased by following all the treatments that I have discussed earlier. After that, I will discuss the key findings of my research. There were prolonged steaming results in qualitative attributes of mystery chicken breast meat, emphasizing that the need of appropriate steaming durations to enhance meat quality and palatability. It means that steamed meat was far better than the meat that was not steamed because it enhances the meat quality and also the palatability of meat sample. So that was all about my research. Thank you so much.